picked up a small load of oak logs today. And on the butt end we got 37 inches. And on the small end we got 33 inches. And I'll show you the rest of them we picked up. We got 4 more on the trailer we ain't got off yet. We got 4 more on the trailer, and I have not measured these yet. I know they're over I think 10 foot. These are all oak logs. These are the small ends. So we got to get them off the trailer, and we'll mill them up, and we'll let you all know what we get out of them. Y'all have a great day.